This isn't just a camper built for weekends. This is a luxury adventure machine created for people who want the open road to become their new address. Welcome back to New Motorhome, the channel where we explore futuristic RVs, luxury motorhomes, extreme overland vehicles, and the most exciting campers shaping the future of travel. And today, we're looking at something absolutely incredible: the 2027 Toyota HyperMax Luxury Camper. Toyota's bold vision of next-generation luxury overland living, combining off-road strength, futuristic technology, and five-star comfort into one unstoppable machine. Designed for travelers who refuse to compromise between adventure and luxury, the HyperMax is expected to become one of the most desirable expedition campers ever imagined by Toyota. And throughout this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from exterior styling and interior luxury to performance, technology, safety, pricing, ownership costs, and whether this futuristic camper actually makes sense for buyers in the United States. The 2027 Toyota HyperMax Luxury Camper immediately grabs attention with a massive expedition-ready stance that feels more like a military-grade overland truck than a traditional RV. Featuring a wide-body design, ultra-high ground clearance, oversized all-terrain tires, reinforced bumpers, aggressive LED lighting, and a futuristic front fascia proudly wearing the Toyota badge, the HyperMax looks ready for any environment on Earth. Sharp aerodynamic lines, integrated side storage systems, panoramic windows, roof-mounted utility equipment, and premium brushed metal accents create a perfect balance between rugged capability and luxury styling. The HyperMax looks equally at home parked beside a luxury resort or deep in the deserts of Arizona, Utah, and Nevada. Step inside, and the HyperMax feels more like a futuristic luxury apartment than a camper. Toyota has clearly focused on maximizing comfort, space, and intelligent living for long-distance travel and full-time adventure lifestyles. The main living area features a spacious open-concept layout with plush L-shaped premium sofa, ambient LED ceiling lighting, panoramic windows, luxury soft-touch materials, smart climate-controlled comfort. The kitchen area is fully equipped with modern high-end features including smart refrigerator, integrated sink system, premium cabinetry, hidden storage compartments, foldable dining setup. Moving toward the rear, the private bedroom delivers true hotel-style comfort with a full-size luxury bed, elegant lighting, overhead storage, premium wall textures, and a clean modern aesthetic inspired by luxury Scandinavian interiors. Even the bathroom feels upscale, featuring a modern shower system, elegant vanity setup, anti-slip flooring, premium fixtures, and advanced ventilation technology. Every inch of the interior is designed to feel bright, spacious, relaxing, and futuristic. Real freedom begins when reliability, power, and range stop being compromises. The 2027 Toyota HyperMax Luxury Camper is expected to feature a heavy-duty hybrid turbo diesel or advanced electrified hybrid powertrain designed for maximum torque, improved efficiency, and long-distance capability. Toyota's legendary durability is expected to shine through a reinforced ladder frame chassis combined with advanced all-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, locking differentials, multiple terrain drive modes, intelligent traction control, off-road crawl systems. Whether crossing snowy mountain roads, desert trails, or endless American highways, the HyperMax is designed to deliver smooth performance and serious confidence even with a full luxury living setup. Onboard, inside the cockpit, the HyperMax feels completely future-focused. Drivers are welcomed by a massive digital cockpit display and a large infotainment touchscreen featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, smart navigation for large vehicles, AI-powered travel assistance, 360-degree camera systems. The camper also includes smart home-inspired controls that allow users to manage lighting, water systems, solar charging, climate control, battery levels, and security directly from a touchscreen or smartphone app. Roof-mounted solar panels, high-capacity lithium battery systems, and advanced energy management technology make the HyperMax ideal for off-grid travel and long-term boondocking adventures across the United States. Toyota is expected to equip the HyperMax with the latest Toyota Safety Sense technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, trailer assist systems, stability control, 360-degree parking cameras. Additional interior safety systems such as fire detection, gas monitoring, anti-slip flooring, and reinforced furniture mounting provide extra peace of mind for long-distance travelers and families. The 2027 Toyota HyperMax Luxury Camper is expected to sit in the premium luxury expedition segment with estimated U.S. pricing starting between $280,000 and $350,000 depending on options and customization packages. While expensive, it directly competes with high-end European expedition campers and luxury Super C motorhomes that often cost even more. Toyota's strong reliability reputation and massive service network across the United States could also make ownership easier and more dependable compared to many exotic RV manufacturers. Optional upgrades may include expanded solar systems, larger battery capacity, satellite internet, premium audio systems, advanced off-road packages, luxury interior customization. However, buyers should also consider additional ownership costs such as insurance, maintenance, registration, storage, and fuel expenses before purchasing a vehicle of this size. The 2027 Toyota HyperMax Luxury Camper represents an exciting vision for the future of luxury overland travel. Combining extreme capability, premium comfort, futuristic technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the HyperMax feels purpose-built for modern adventure lifestyles across America's deserts, forests, mountains, and highways. For travelers who want luxury without limits, this may become one of Toyota's most ambitious camper concepts ever created. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of luxury motorhomes, make sure to like the video, subscribe to New Motorhome, and turn on notifications for more futuristic RVs, luxury campers, and extreme overland vehicle reviews. And let us know in the comments. Would you take the HyperMax across the country, or live full-time off-grid in the wild? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.